to your video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a PayPal account, okay, with your phone. Yes, with your phone number. Alright, yeah, so this video is going to be very straightforward, simple and short. Alright, so first off, all you have to do is you have to go to paypal.com, okay, paypal.com/ls/home. Okay, you type in the link like the way it is. I'll leave the link in the channel. Alright, so when you come to the PayPal site, okay, you now tap on open a business website. Okay, tap here, open a business website. So open a business account. Sorry. So they might give you a recaptcha to prove that you are not a robot, so you just have to, do that for them. Alright, this thing can be somehow annoying, but you just have to relax, get patience, and do it. So I'm done with that. Alright, so when you come to this page, you'd input your so after tapping on a business account and verify that you are not a robot, you'll be brought to this page. So on this page, you just have to accept the terms and agreements. Then you input your first name, last name, email address, and password. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I've placed in all of the details. Okay. First name, last name, email address, and password. All right. So before we continue, let me just say this. Sometimes you have to make sure that the email address you use, you've not used it to create a PayPal account before, because if you do, you won't be able to use it to create a PayPal account. And also with the name, you have to make sure that your name is sometimes you can create a PayPal account, and after creating the PayPal account, immediately the account can be closed or something. And the reason is because the name that you used to create that PayPal account, okay, if it has already been used to create a PayPal account before, and if the PayPal account gets banned immediately, it simply means that that PayPal account that the name has already been used to create before, no, that one too was also banned. That's why they've also banned the new one that you've used the same name to create. So sometimes you have to be careful of the name, even if maybe it's just the spelling that you will change it. The spelling alone can change everything. Yeah. So if you've used your name or a name that you've used for PayPal before and it has been banned before, you just have to change the name a little bit, maybe the first name or the last name or even the spelling of the names. Yes. So when you are done with all that, you just tap on agree and create account. So they might also give you another security challenge again. Alright, this is somehow annoying, but you just have to get patience and you will get what you want. Alright, yeah. So if you are watching this video on my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Alright, please do well to subscribe to my channel. There are more updates like this on my channel that you might end up paying someone else to teach you, but it's actually just lying there on my channel for free. So do well to subscribe to my channel. All right, yes. See. Okay, let me just pause the video, and then when I'm done solving this captcha thing, we'll come. All right, so when you are done with the captcha, you send an email verification code to the email that you want to use to create the PayPal account. So you just tap on email you code, alright? Yeah. Then you go and get the verification code and come and input it in, then you tap on submit. So I'm going to take the verification code from the inbox of the mail, okay, and then we will continue from there. Alright, so I have the code now. So when you're done, you just tap on submit. Alright, when you're done, you just tap on submit. Alright, so when it comes, you tap on let's go. Okay, you tap on let's go and activate the PayPal account. So you choose individual, then you choose individual. Alright, you're an individual seller. Okay, network is gone. Hold on. Okay, so individual. Alright, then you tap on next. Sorry, individual. Then you tap on next. Okay, so when you are done, you input your date of birth and then your phone number. Don't change the nationality, okay? Let the nationality be where it is. Alright, so don't change the nationality. But you can use your own phone number, your Ghanaian phone number, and then use your Ghanaian phone number. Nothing will go wrong with the account if you use your Ghanaian phone number. Alright, so I'm going to first, and then your address line. So I'm going to first get these details and come and input them here, and then we'll continue from there. Alright, so I've done all of that. Okay, so now you just tap on next. Okay, so when you tap on next, you can, if you want to use your own business name, you can use your business name. Don't bother using the business registration number. It's not even necessary. Even if you have it, I don't advise that you use it now. Okay, yes, and then so this one I'm just going to say, if you don't have a business name, you can just choose for them to use your legal name. Alright, and then do you have a business website? No. Use your residential address, and then now when you come to the what service or offer do you sell, okay, you open it up. Okay, then you select advertising services. There are various other services here, but then for your peace of mind, if for your peace of I like to use advertising services. You can go for other ones. Sometimes some of them can bring issues with you, but the safe end to go for is advertising services. So when you are done, then you tap on next. So that's basically it. This is it. You are done. You've created your PayPal account. So you just tap on go to the home page, and then when you go to the home page, you will see your account readily active over there. Alright. Yes. So that's basically it. So this is it. This what you paid for, and you have been delivered. How to create your own PayPal account. So if you would want to learn how you can link the PayPal account to a bank account, how to transfer funds from your Momo to your PayPal and from your PayPal to your Momo, that one too, you can get in touch with me. Check the description of this channel. You would see my phone number there. Okay, you just tap on it and enter my WhatsApp DM, or you can message me. I'll place the WhatsApp, my WhatsApp link in the channel, so you can message me and you DM me and I'll teach you how you can do that. All right, yes. So this is basically it. The PayPal account is done. You're done creating your PayPal account. Yes, so that's basically it. If you also have any issues, any questions, my WhatsApp number too is also there. Like I said, you can message me on WhatsApp and then ask your inquiries or your questions or your issues that you are facing, and then I'll attend to you accordingly. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial, and shalom.